Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JMIA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another pullback day, and it really just depends on your perspective. So let me kind of illustrate this here. So if you care about the broad scope of it all, if you care about the big picture, then from that angle, everything is still perfectly fine. I mean, you look at this trend, and not to insult anybody's intelligence, but this is that's the epitome of an uptrending channel, right? That is a nice bullish uptrending channel. Now, if you're some sort of day trader though, and you care about much smaller time frames, and you bought right there, maybe you bought right there, maybe you bought right there, and your plan of action was to buy and sell within 7.2 minutes. Well, from that angle, then yeah, today was not so good. The past couple of days have not been so good because there has been a much bigger pullback. So that's what I want to just start with the reference point here of, and from where I sit as the presenter here, it's a difficult spot to be in because the chart is still plenty bullish to some people, but it could be very, very bearish at you depending on your context. So what I'm just trying to really, hopefully, if I'm doing my job right, is illustrate that, everything depends on your perspective. And you can see this thing has had plenty of pullbacks in the past. And here is the latest pullback. Now, all these pullbacks here, boom, boom, boom. And now the question just becomes, can the price get another boom to the upside? No guarantees, but as of right now, you still got to, lean and err on the side of the bulls just because, the overall context is still bullish. Now, all trends can, be broken, and I'm not saying that's impossible to occur, but overall, the big picture context is still plenty bullish. Now, if there is going to be any sort of movements to the upside, the level that I'm very curious about is, can the price get up above that trend line right there? You can see it's knocking on the door right now. So for me, that's going to be a big question mark going forward. Can the price break above it? And more specifically, get above $18 and then stay up above it. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.